Hello my friends, and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to be going over 3 new letters, N, O, P. We're going to see how they sound, what do they look like, how do we write them, and I'm going to put some flashcards of words that start with those letters. Are you ready? Let's get started. The first letter we're going to go over is the letter N. Now, similar to the letter M, we see a nose. The difference between the sound for the letter M and the letter N is that our mouth is open and our tongue touches the top of our mouth. So this is what your mouth looks like. My tongue is touching the top of my mouth, like this. Very good. Now we're going to be doing the same sound from our nose, just like this. Now again, if you cover up your nose, you won't be able to hear a sound. Let's try that together. Cover your nose. Get your mouth ready. Ready? Go. It's very hard. So let's go ahead and do the N sound 3 times, pointing at our nose every time we say it. Ready? Go. Very good. Now let's look at what the letter N looks like. This is uppercase and lowercase n. Again, similar to the letter M, uppercase N has lots of straight lines, and lowercase n has a curvy line. Let's go ahead and figure out how do we write the letter N. When we start with uppercase N, we go all the way to the top, and we're going to write one big line going down, like this. And down. Very good. Now we're going to bring our marker back to the top, and we're going to do one big diagonal line going out, like this. Diagonal. And not picking up our marker, we're going to bring it back up, like this. That's uppercase N. Let's do it together. Grab your marker, start all the way at the top, and we're going to go down, pick up your marker, start at the top, and let's do a diagonal, and then up. Good job. Let's do lowercase n now. Now lowercase n is shorter than uppercase n. We're going to find somewhere in the middle to start our lowercase n. And we're going to draw a short line going down, like this. Down. Now don't pick up the marker, because we're about to do a little loop like this. Boop. Let's do that together. Pick up your marker, find somewhere in the middle. Let's do one line going down. And don't pick up the marker. Let's do one loop. Ready? And loop. Very good. You just did the letter N. Now let's look at some words that start with the letter N. Alright, I'm going to show you some pictures of words that start with the letter N. Let's see if you can say them when I put up the pictures. What is this a picture of? These are a picture of nuts. There's peanuts, and I see walnuts, hazelnuts. Very good. What about this picture? Now, some of you might say doctor, but doctor starts with D. This is a nurse. What about this picture? I'll give you a hint. It's something that I'm wearing right now. That's right, it's a necklace. Last picture. You're right, this is a nest. Very good. All right, the next letter is the letter O. And the letter O is so sleepy. You can tell because her eyes are shut and her mouth is open like this. A secret when we're making the sound for letter O is get your mouth ready by making it look like a letter O, like this. Can you do that? Get your mouth ready. Make it look like the letter O, like this. Very good. Now when we do the sound for letter O, our voices are turned on. And we're going to make our sound start from very low in our throat. It's going to sound like this. Aw. Let's do the sound together. We're going to do it 3 times. Ready? Go. Aw, aw, aw. Very good. This is what the letter O looks like. These are almost exactly the same. Can you figure out what makes them different? That's right. Capital O is taller than lowercase o. Let's go ahead and write lowercase and uppercase o. Letter O is really easy to write. I'm going to show you how. Now remember, uppercase O is taller, so we're going to start all the way at the top. And we're going to make a big circle, like this. Circle. That's uppercase O. Let's do it again. Grab your marker, and let's start all the way at the top and make one big circle, like this. Circle. This is uppercase O. Now, if you thought that was easy, wait till we do lowercase o. Now, lowercase o is shorter. So, are we going to start at the top or in the middle? Right, in the middle. So, find a nice place in the middle and do a circle, like this. Very good. Let's do it together. Grab your marker, find some place in the middle, and do a circle. Ready? And circle. You just did letter O. Good job. Now let's look at some words that start with the letter O. Let's see if you can say them. What is this a picture of? Right, this is a picture of an otter. What about this? This is a picture of an ostrich. Here's the next one. What is this animal? Right, this is an octopus. Last one, ready? If you guessed jeans, you're kind of right. It is made out of the jean material, but this is called an overall. Very good. The next letter we're going to go over is the letter P. Now, P is a parent, and he's telling the baby that it's time to be quiet. So letter B is the partner sound for letter P. When I say partner sound, I mean that your mouth is set up the same, and the way you say the sound is the same as well. The one difference is the baby, or the letter B, has its voice turned on, because babies are usually loud. The parent is trying to tell the baby to be quiet, so the voice is off for letter P. When we're doing the letter P, our lips are closed, and we're going to make a puffing sound. Remember, our voices are turned off. It's going to look like this. Very good. Let's do that sound together 3 times. Ready? Go. Nice job. Now let's look at what uppercase and lowercase p look like. This is what they look like. Uppercase P and lowercase p look pretty similar, except uppercase P is taller and lowercase p is shorter. Let's go ahead and write uppercase and lowercase p. When we do uppercase P, because it's taller, we're going to start all the way at the top and draw one line going straight down, like this. Down. We're going to pick up our marker, start back at the top, and we're going to make one bump, like this. Bump. Let's do it together. Start all the way at the top. Draw one line going down. Down. Bring up your marker to the top of the line and make one bump. Ready? Bump. You just made uppercase P. When we do lowercase p, the motion is the same, except we're going to start in the middle. Let's do that. Find a nice space in the middle and draw one line going down. Ready? Down. We're going to bring our marker back to the top and we're going to make that same one bump, like this. Bump. Let's do it together again. Starting all the way in the middle, we're going to draw one line going down. Bring your marker up and to the top and do that one bump. Bump. Good job. All right, let's go over some words that start with the letter P. Ready? What is this a picture of? Popcorn. Right on. What about this one? This is a parrot. Here's the next picture. This is a pickle. Last one. What is this a picture of? A pig. Good job. All right, my friends, that's it for this video. And as always, I wish you well and I miss you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, my friends.